Today, you and I are going to have a little girl chat, and I'm going to be giving some advice on the questions you guys submitted. Welcome back to Talk About It Tuesdays, where each week we eat a new taco and we talk about a different topic. I'm your host, Jordyn, and this week we're going to have a girl-on-girl conversation, and I'm going to be giving some advice on the questions you guys submitted. And don't forget to stay to the end of the video to hear this week's hint on next week's taco. See if you can guess it. But first, let's talk about today's tacos. If you guys remember the hint from last week and you picked shrimp, you are right. These shrimp tacos are really special because they have a fried cheese shell and they look so good. You know when the food's so good you just want to dance? That's the feeling I have right now. Okay, so let's get into some questions. The first question you guys asked is from YouTube and is, how can I be positive? Being positive isn't as easy as it seems, especially if you are having a hard day or going through a really tough time. You can probably just think about things you are grateful for and thankful for. That's an instant mood booster. So the next question is from Instagram and it asks, how can I face my fears? This is a really hard one, especially if fears are holding you back. So my advice is start small and gradually make your way up. So say you're afraid of public speaking. Maybe start off with speaking to one friend, then 2, then 5, then 10 friends, and then talk to your whole class. And then keep going up from there, and eventually you won't be as scared as you used to. You might not even be scared at all. The next question also comes from YouTube and it asks, how do I deal with gossip? My advice, don't. Don't engage in it, don't concern yourself about it, don't react to it. Because sooner or later, those people will find something else to talk about, so don't even worry about it. The next question also comes from YouTube and it says, how do I pick out the perfect outfit to fit me? My advice is just simply going to be dress for you. If you think something looks good on you, wear it. If you think 2 things go perfectly together and you love them, just wear it. Don't dress for anybody else, dress for you. This next question comes from Instagram and it says, what do I do if a boy's picking on me? My advice, ignore them, move on with your life. But if they keep doing it over and over again, just ask them to stop and eventually they'll probably stop there. But if it gets to be a bullying situation and they won't stop, you should tell a teacher or an adult you trust. The last question, this showed up on YouTube and on Instagram a whole bunch of times. It is how to deal with girl drama and friends at school. This got asked so many times because we are all going through it, and to be honest, I don't even know how to answer it 100%. I'm not sure if it's good advice, but I'm gonna try. So this is really hard because I've been going through drama for weeks and I've been crying a lot. So the biggest advice I could probably give you is stay true to yourself, because even how it's so easy to change for somebody to like you, you can't do that because they're not really friends if they want you to change. Real friends will accept you for who you are and love you for who you are. So you might have to leave that friend if they want you to change just for them. And I know it is really hard to lose a friend, but it's even harder to lose yourself. Alright guys, so those are all the questions I had time to answer today. I hope they helped you in some way. Thanks for hanging out with me. So now let's talk about the hint for next week's taco. So the hint is you eat it while you sit by the campfire. Can you guess what it is? Comment down below if you can. So make sure you guys subscribe so you never miss another Taco Tuesday, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I hope you guys had fun today, and I'm gonna finish eating these tacos. See you next week. Bye!